Hello and Merry Christmas! Well, maybe not quite yet, but it is time to start thinking about how you'll celebrate Jesus' birth with kids and families at your church this year. To begin my holiday celebration, I like to pull out my favorite decoration, a Charlie Brown Christmas tree. It's the perfect reminder that sometimes holiday celebrations don't have to be complicated, and simple things can be the most meaningful. That applies to Christmas celebrations at your church too. And that's the mindset we had when we created the Simply Loved holiday packs. There's one for pre-K and K and one for elementary. Each pack contains 4 lessons, 2 Christmas lessons and 2 bonus Easter lessons too. We envisioned the Christmas lessons, one for the Sunday before Christmas, one for the Sunday after Christmas, and then a Palm Sunday and Easter celebration too. This is strategic. We want kids to experience God's greatest gift, Jesus, at Christmas time, and then connect the Christmas story to how Jesus made a way for us to be forever friends with God at Easter. Now, let's talk just Christmas now and not get too far ahead of ourselves. Each Christmas lesson in your Simply Loved holiday kit has a palette of options for you to use this year in a variety of creative ways. And we've provided some adaptation tips, videos, and documents to help you think through how you will celebrate with kids and families this year. Whether you're creating video lessons to send to families, or hosting Zoom Sunday School, or meeting in person with kids and being mindful of social distancing, we have adaptation tips that can help you as you think through those scenarios. But you can look at each Simply Loved lesson in a different way with fresh, creative eyes this year. For example, are you thinking about sending activities that are simple and easy for families to do as they celebrate each week of Advent? Well, it just so happens that there are opening options as a part of your Simply Loved lessons, and there are 4 of them. So send one simple activity home to families each week. No screen time required. Or are you thinking about gathering families for a special experience? Well, you could lead them in a Simply Loved lesson. Set families up at tables and they become crews. And together, parents and kids can celebrate God's greatest gift, Jesus. Whether you're already using Simply Loved, you can just plug these lessons right into your schedule. Or if you haven't used Simply Loved yet, this is the perfect opportunity to try it out. This Christmas, keep Jesus at the center as you celebrate Him with kids and families, and Simply Loved can help. Merry Christmas!